Hi my friends, today I am going to teach you how to play basic minor chord. In the previous video I had teach you how to play basic major chord. Let's see how to play minor chord. Especially this video is made in English because my friends who can't understand Sinhala have made a request. So let's go to the video.
First we should label our fingers to play chords. This first one, second one, third one, fourth one. First we see how to play C minor chord. The first finger plays on the first string in the third fret. Then second finger plays on second string in fourth fret. Fourth finger plays on third string in fifth fret. Third finger plays on fourth string in same fret. In here, this is C minor chord. Now we see how to play C sharp minor chord. It also like C minor chord. We bring our all fingers into next fret like C minor chord. This is C sharp minor chord. Let's see how to play D minor chord. Our first finger plays on the first string in the first fret. Second finger plays on the third string in second fret. Then the fourth finger plays on third string in third fret, and third finger plays on fourth string in same fret. Like this. This is D minor chord. Now we see how to play E flat minor chord. It also like D minor chord. We place our all fingers like D minor chord from next fret. In here. It starts from second fret. This is E flat minor chord. Let's see how to play E minor chord. It's a very easy chord. Our third finger plays on fourth string in second fret. In here. And the second finger plays on the fifth string in same fret. Like this. This is E minor chord. Now we see how to play F minor chord. We place our first finger on both of first and second string like this. Then our fourth finger plays on fourth string in third fret. Third finger plays on fifth string in same fret. This is F minor chord. If we play F sharp minor, we bring our all fingers into the next fret. Like F minor. This is F minor chord. It starts from second fret. Then G minor chord also like F and F sharp minor chords. We place our all fingers like same from third fret. This is G minor chord. G minor. And A flat minor chord also like G minor chord. We place our all fingers from fourth fret like G minor chord. This is A flat minor chord. Let's see how to play A minor chord. Our first finger plays on second string in first fret. And third finger plays on third string in second fret. Then second finger plays on fourth string in same fret. In here. This is A minor chord. Now we see how to play B flat minor chord. We place our first finger on first string in first fret. Fourth finger plays on second string in third fret. Third finger plays on third string in same fret. And second finger plays on fourth string in same fret. This is B flat minor.
So that's how to play basic 12 minor chords play. If you learned something from the video, put a like, leave a comment if you have to ask something, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So see you in the next